Welcome to Grand Online Academy. I am Dr. Abdirsaaq. Today we are taking a lesson about concessions. Before we get down to the lesson, I'd like you to share the video and also give us a like. We are taking new online English classes, so if you are interested, make sure that you contact us through the numbers we put to the down of the screen. waxaan qaadanaynaa kalaasyo cusub oo English online ah. Haddii aad xiisaynayso ama danaynayso, nagala soo xiriir nambarada xagga hoose ku qoran. So let's start the lesson. Concession. Concession macnaheedu waxa weeyaan inaad fikrad qayb ka mid ah ogolaato, qayb ka midna aad diido. For example, Ahmed has worked hard for his exams, but unfortunately he failed. Ahmed imtixaankiisii wuu diyaar garoobay, laakiin dhibaatada dhacday waxa weeyaan isagoo diyaar garoobay haddana he failed. So if you want to put these two ideas together, midna waad ogashahay midna ma ogolid, waxaad odhanaysaa, although Ahmed worked hard for his exams, again he failed, yet he failed. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get down to these examples and you will understand what concession is about. At the end of the lesson, I want you to make up your own concession and put that in the comments below. Number one, although they were poor, inkastay ahaayeen dad waxba aan haysan oo faqiiriin ay ahaayeen, they were independent. They were independent. So we expect a poor person cannot be independent. Qofka aan waxba haysan waxaanu rajaynaynaa inuu noqdo qof cid kale ku tirsan. Laakiin iyaga way ka duwaneyd arrinkoodu. Although they were poor, they were independent. Inkastayna ay ahaayeen dad aan waxba haysan, laakiin waxay ahaayeen independent. Dad waxay ahaayeen madax bannaan. Specifically, you can use financially independent. Dad iyagu iska feeyay bay ahaayeen. I hope you understand that. Number two, he is a bit stupid. He's a bit stupid. He's kind, nevertheless. He is a bit stupid. Waxoogay waxaad mooday inuu doqon yara ahaa. Doqon, stupid. He's kind, laakiin uu naxariis badnaa. Nevertheless. Uu naxariis badnaa. Ha iska ahaatee. Marka qof naxariis badan buu ahaa. Nevertheless. Okay, number three. I acknowledge that he has worked hard, but it isn't enough. I acknowledge that he has worked hard, but it isn't enough. I acknowledge, waxaan qirayaa, waxaan ogsoonahay, waxaan ogahay, he worked hard, that he has worked hard. Inuu si adag u dadaalay, xoog buu shaqeeyay u dadaalay. Hard, but it isn't enough. But that wasn't enough. We wanted him to work even more harder. Alright? Marka waxaan ogolnahay ama aan qiraynaa inuu aad u shaqeeyay si adag, laakiin taasi ma ahayn halkii la doonayay oo naguma filnayn. Okay? I acknowledge. Also, you can use I admit. That is another one that you can use. Number four, I admit I was wrong. I admit I was wrong. Waxaan qirsanahay ama aan qiranayaa. Admit. Waan qiranayaa weeyaan. I was wrong. Waan khaldanaa. Khalad baan galay. But I still think we were right to doubt her. We were right to doubt her. Waan khaldanaa, laakiin weli waxaan u malaynayaa I still think we were right inaynu ku saxsanayn inagu to doubt her. Inaan iyada ka shakino. Khalad baan galay ha, laakiin haddana waan ku saxsanayn inaynu ka shakino iyada. Marka some people pronounce this as doubt. They pronounce the B, but you don't have to pronounce the B. The B is silent, so it's doubt. Doubt her. So I think you understand concessions now. So I'm going to read the lesson one more time. So I want you to make up your own concession and put that in the comments below. Haga comment ka adigu mid soo samee kadibna soo dhig insha Allah. Okay. Although they were poor, they were independent. He is a bit stupid. He's kind nevertheless. I acknowledge that he has worked hard, but it isn't enough. I admit I was wrong, but I still think we were right to doubt her. Okay? So thank you very much, everyone. I hope the lesson has been very helpful. So make sure that you share the video, comment down below with the right concession that you made up from your mind, and share the video with everyone. Give us a like. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.